Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing minimal prerequisites, a text editor and a browser. Open your HTML file and insert a clickable element, such as a button. Next, add an Onclick attribute pointing to a function name, for example Onclick equals myFunction. Once done, create the corresponding JavaScript function inside a script tag or external JS file. Make sure to save and reload the page to trigger your changes. This is the first actionable step to see interactivity immediately. You now implement the handler and learn why certain patterns matter. Define function myFunction event so you can access event properties or accept parameters like myFunction, arg for custom data. Use DOM methods such as document. Get element by ID or event. Target to find elements and modify class list or text content to update UI. Once done, test different inputs and inspect console for errors. Using event prevents global scope issues and makes your code reusable across multiple elements. You wrap up by finalizing behavior and adding a key troubleshooting tip. Replace inline Onclick with add event listener when scaling, but inline is fine for simple cases. Verify your function name matches the attribute and ensure the script runs after the element exists. Place scripts at the end or use DOM content loaded. If nothing happens, open the console, check for syntax errors, misspelled ID, or blocked scripts. Remember, event prevent default, stops navigation. Use it when handling links.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.